Welcome to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Dunnow Chicken. If I'm honest, I never heard of Dunnow Chicken, but my wife obviously has, because when I asked her what was for dinner last night, she paused and said, Dunnow Chicken, I suppose. And this is what she made. A list of all the ingredients can be found in the description box below. I found this version of Dunnow Chicken very easy to make and very tasty, but saying that I did screw it up a bit, more of that later. Anyway, to make this dish, put the turmeric, curry powder, chilli powder, garlic and ginger, mirin and honey, salt, yoghurt in a bowl and thoroughly mix together well. And when this is mixed together, add the chicken thighs and mix through again. Then allow to marinate for at least an hour. Then when you're ready to cook, it's off to a well heated, well oiled griddle pan. And this is where, if I'm honest, I screwed up on this recipe. I didn't shake the excess marinade off, and I didn't have the griddle pan hot enough to start with, so the chicken tended to stick to it, leaving a right mess to clean up after. But I was okay with it, because it tasted great and I got my wife to wash the griddle pan. Anyway, when the chicken's cooked through with lovely caramelised bits, it's ready to serve. And you can serve it with rice or chips, or if you come from my hometown in Wales, half and half. We hope you enjoyed this recipe, and we'll see you again on the next one. Bye for now.